This is a straight leg raise variation starting on the back. We're gonna start with the affected leg straight. The goal of this is to try to get the backside of the knee as close to the ground as possible before you even lift the leg. Sometimes it can be easier to keep the toes toward the nose to keep the knee straight, but it's okay to point the toes down too. But most people find it easier to keep the toes toward the nose. And pressing the backside of the knee into the ground, maintaining that, so trying to lift up the quad muscle right above the kneecap, trying to lift it upward toward the nose. As you lift the leg, slow and controlled, only going to about where the thighs are parallel. Don't go past that point. You actually make it easier once you pass that point, so just about there. And then slow and controlled back down. Reset, you can relax for a second, and then do that again. Press the backside of the knee into the ground. Toes toward the nose if that feels like it helps make the straightening more manageable. And then lifting up. As you lift up, try to keep the tummy tight, so think belly button to spine, so that as you lift, your pelvis does not teeter to the side. So hips are square, straightening the knee as best as you can. Slow and controlled, lift the leg to where thighs are parallel, and then slow and controlled back down. As that gets easier, you can make it more challenging by doing the same thing upright. If you want, you can support yourself with the hands, and then same idea, pressing the back of the knee into the ground. It can sometimes be helpful if you use a small towel roll or just a little bit of cushion under the knee. For example, fold even a blanket, roll it under the knee. That way you have something to press into. Make sure you get the knee as straight as possible, toes toward the nose, and then from there lift. Our goal is to try to get the thighs parallel again, and then slow and controlled down. Try not to sink back as you lift. Try to be as tall as possible. One more time, straight knee, and then lifting up as high as you can. Nice and easy, back down.